All right. They predicted 4 inches of snow, but now it's getting close to 17. But we're intrepid voyagers, and here we are in Bud Lake, New Jersey. We're about to put the Ski-Doo down on the test. 70-mile-per-hour winds on Bud Lake. Even the fish won't come out. And there's Joe over here, intrepid Ski-Doo artist and part-time sanitation man, going to show us how he does a triple loop bypass in the air at 70 miles per hour. Or maybe at least you'll get out of the truck intact. We're getting ready to go after Bigfoot. He's been spotted in this area. As you can see, the lakefront is nasty. Fog, snow, sleet. Many a man has gone out on this ice and never returned. And today, will it be different? This is the lake. Underneath his feet here is depths of from 15,000 fathoms. Well, maybe it's about 5 or 10 feet deep. But it could be 15 fathoms in another dimension. And there's Joe out in the distance, breaking wind barrier and distance speeds. And he's coming right toward me. This may be my last video. Look at this sucker go! Look at it! Whoa! Hitting speeds of like 110 miles per hour. I guess I might as well show you what wonderful outfit I'm wearing today to protect from the cold. It's a designer made by Calvin Klein or Calvin Klug. The latest in outdoor garb. Real snow lady out here. She'll probably snowball me to death. Look at him go! Whoa! Picking up that traction, look at the speed. Whoa! Oh! There he goes. Oh my God! It looks like it's Snowzilla! That's our relative. Oh no, Joe, watch it! This is the boat graveyard. Parts and accessories, the office. I wonder what his hours are in the winter. Let's see. Stock Marina, Thursday closed. I wonder if they do open up in the winter. He's actually building a ramp out of snow to get that snowmobile up to this level and onto the trailer because he doesn't have a supporting ramp. So we may be out here in 20-degree weather until the abominable snowman comes out and eats both of us or tears us limb by
back the trailer up.
Emergency throw rope. What is this? And here comes the daredevil himself. Look at him, mighty, 80 miles per hour, he's gonna leap into that truck. Watch this. Right up the ramp. Is he gonna do it? Oh no, he missed it. He missed it. He missed it. Oh, phooey, phooey. He's snowbound. He's gotta make it up this ramp. This homemade ramp built out of snow onto this platform in one leap without overshooting it. And ending up in the back of the truck or under it. There he goes. this, ladies and gentlemen. He did it. He did it. Look at that. We're right up there,
Yeah, baby.
incredible, Joe.
Thank you. I come here like every day.
Every day.